This is 2 candles in 1. The spiral wick melts the walls and the wax falls inside, ready to burn later. What a bright idea. Trying to capture the perfect selfie. Uh-oh. That's a big spider. Only one thing to do. Pack up and move home. Wait a minute. That seems a little drastic. Let's try this again. We've got a better idea. Why not try this bug catcher? It's quick and easy to use. Even when the bug is out of reach, it's no problem. Just extend the handle. Place the catcher over the bug and slide the trap closed. I feel a lot safer now. It's humane and gentle to the bugs. Just open the trap and set them free. It's a handy gadget and a lot cheaper than moving home. We give this 5 stars. Phew. I think we all have a drawer like this. A graveyard for cables and plugs. And it's always a mess. How do they always get tangled up? I feel your frustration. Oh, I was looking for them. If only there was a way to keep the cables tidy. Well, you guessed it. We have just the thing. A magnetic cable holder. It may look simple, but it makes life a lot easier. Just wrap it around your cables, snap the magnets together, and have tidy cables. The magnets clip together, meaning they fit any size of cable. Phone cables, laptop chargers, you name it. This'll keep them neat. Look at that drawer. It's perfect. And it's not just for cables. Use them to keep your chips fresh. My favorite. What an attractive product. Because it's a magnet. Get it? Whatever. 5 stars. Wow, that's a bright bin. Sorry, I got distracted. That's what I like to see. No littering. Whoa, this guy looks suspicious. I knew he was up to no good. It was the sunglasses. And the lurking around the trash cans. To stop your details being stolen, use this identity safety gadget. Your personal information will never fall into the wrong hands. It's small, compact, and so convenient. Just run the roller over your information and it'll be blacked out. 5 stars for safety. Taking vitamins is a great way to stay healthy. But why are they always huge? I hope you have water. Let's face it, they're always tough to swallow. To avoid things getting stuck in your throat, use this pill cutter. Simply place the pill in the holder. Push down on the cap and the pill will be split in half. It makes them a lot more easier to swallow. And the bottom of the tube has a handy storage section. It's compact so you can carry it with you. No need for large containers of pills. You can take an entire day's worth of pills and vitamins with you on the go. It's versatile. Remove the cutter and use the container as a cup. You just need to supply the water. A great little gadget. 5 stars. This next gadget lights up my life. It's a levitating bulb. Impressive, huh? I know what you're thinking. What type of sorcery or witchcraft is this? Well, there's no magic tricks here. Apart from this part. It looks cool. It's plain old magnets. But you don't need to tell people that. Look at its spin. This light bulb is guaranteed to get people talking. It's stylish, clever, and fun. A delightful 5 stars. Gadgets and comedy. Come on. Something's wrong. Left the iron on? Oh, you actually have? I was just joking. Yeah, that's not good. Wow, that really escalated. Avoid the fire department visiting your home with this smart plug. You won't need to worry about leaving the iron on anymore. Just plug your appliances into it, and then use your phone to switch them on or off. No matter where you are, all it takes is a push of a button. It's easy to set up, and you can set timers and schedules through the app. Now that's cool. It works on a number of appliances, from irons to lamps. We love this smart plug. 5 stars. No one likes cleaning up, but it's gotta be done. Why don't they make buckets that fit mops? We're just making more mess. Let's think about this. Maybe if you take the mop off. That's gross. It's okay, you can do this. Ugh, I'm glad you're doing it and not me. At least you're getting a workout. You have a little something on your face. Make cleaning easier with this manual extrusion mop. It will glide through dirt and grease. No job is too tough. It's easy to use. The mop collapses, making rinsing simple. The microfiber pads means better cleaning than regular mops. The manual extrusion mop cleans up with us. 5 stars. Time for some makeup. Oh, I bet that tickles. Bless you. Looks like you've seen a ghost. What a waste of makeup. It's everywhere. But this'll be easy to clean up. With this vacuum cleaner nozzle, just clip it into your vacuum hose and you're ready. It's so easy to use. And reaches into the trickiest corners. Can we use this makeup again? It has various purposes. Those books look like they've been gathering dust. It might leave behind some residue. So you may need to go over things twice. The design means it can adapt to all kinds of surfaces. It's a useful tool to have, but doesn't clean completely. 4 stars. Tiled floors may look great, but the grooves make things hard to clean. It's gonna take a lot of scrubbing. Make life easier with this steam cleaner. It not only cleans, but it looks cool. It uses a high-pressure blast of steam to remove dirt, making surfaces spotless. It cleans small gaps. And is quick and easy to use. Look at it go. It really does the job. Look at the difference. And it comes with various nozzles. Meaning you can remove hard stains. The steam and brush do the scrubbing for you. Just give it a blast. And wipe clean. It leaves glass streak-free. It cleans all surfaces. This cleaner makes us hot and steamy. 5 stars. A dustpan and a brush just seems old-fashioned. It leaves dust and takes time. It's pretty annoying. So to avoid stress when cleaning, use this vacuum cleaner. It makes cleaning stress-free. The vacuum comes fitted with a sensor, which detects dust and sucks it up. It's stylish and modern-looking, so it won't look out of place in your home. The strong suction means it'll vacuum any material or debris. So don't leave anything lying around. You might want to see this. Hey, your hard-earned cash is disappearing. Imagine being robbed by a vacuum cleaner. It would suck. But don't worry. It's easy to clean. Just remove the dust compartment and get your money back. I'm a sucker for this vacuum. 5 stars. Looks like we have some budding Picassos. It's good to encourage creativity. Who knows? These could be masterpieces. Or they could be a mess. Ooh, a conveniently placed light bulb. Clean up your kid's artwork with the pink stuff. This brilliant paste makes light work of stains. It feels pretty awesome too. It's so easy to apply. Just rub on a cloth or surface and wipe. It acts quick. Just like new. No need for scrubbing. It gives perfect results. A blank canvas for your kids to be creative on. It works on different surfaces. It wipes away tough stains in seconds. It's an amazing cleaning product. We'll definitely give the pink stuff 5 stars. No matter how many times you clean them, mirrors always end up with smears. I think I can see a reflection. I give up. But this 3-in-1 window cleaner means you can stare at your reflection all day. Its unique design means cleaning mirrors has never been easier. It has a built-in spray bottle. Just fill with cleaning fluid and give the nozzle a squeeze. Just spray, wipe, and clean. It's so efficient. Use the cloth to clean. And the squeegee gives a streak-free finish. It means quick cleaning. It's like looking in a mirror. Wait, we are. And it gives good results. Let's have a before and after. Wow, look at that. And you can use it on windows. This cleaner does a great job. 5 stars. Whose turn was it to empty the garbage? Just pile it up. It'll be fine. I hope we don't get rats. Or we could use this clever trash can. This intelligent garbage collector opens automatically. It's hands-free, so it's more hygienic. And it'll look good in any room. So no more mess. We certainly won't talk trash about this gadget. 5 stars.